Good afternoon, YouTubers. This is that old extension ladder I got at a yard sale where the guy's moving out. It's one of the older ones because the rungs you stand on are round. The new one's got the D-shaped rungs that have a flatter spot to distribute the pressure on your foot. But I also got this pressure washer at a garage sale over the summer. So I'm going to try and blast some of the crud and dirt off of this thing. It was got all kind of green slime and algae on it. And I'm not going to use soap. I'm just using pressure water, and we'll see what kind of results I get with that. Maybe get some splashback here in the camera, so we'll see. Fire in the hole. That's got to be the upside where the rainwater collected in. Watch out, dog, you get your eyes messed up here. Oh yeah, that's making a big difference. If that guy would have pressure washed this ladder and put it up for sale, he probably could have got over $100 for it. Right, Brock 3. He's a very vocal, whiny, bitchy dog. Whiner and complainer. All right, YouTubers, you don't need to see the rest of this cleaning job, but I'm happy with just blasting the dirt off it so it slides real easy. And I don't have to get it perfectly clean. Just smooth enough where my hands don't pick up dirt when I touch it. God bless the YouTubers. I hope your projects are going as good as mine.